Hello guys, welcome again to my new video. This time to do the review and the accessibility options of this Mac Mini, the 2012 Mac Mini. I will be reviewing the Apple Mac Mini and doing the RAM memory change of it in this video. Okay, soon I will be doing a video changing the hard drive, for an SSD, putting two hard drives inside, one SSD, other HDD, but now I'm only here to do a quick and brief review of Mac Mini and how to change the memory. Here we have the Mac Mini itself, a mini computer, but with a, in my opinion, with a huge performance. Okay, we have in the front the infrared port to remote, the white LED. In this side nothing, and in the back side we have the power button, the energy plug, the gigabit Ethernet port, the Firewire 8000, the HDMI port, the Thunderbolt port, 4 USB 3.0 ports, the SD slot, the audio in, the audio out, and here the ventilation grill. In the base we have this plastic round piece. It says Mac Mini, and here we have the indicators of closed and open. Let's open. I recommend touching the metal area or using an anti-static bracelet. To open, we just turn to the right, lift like that, here we have a metal plate with a rubber insulator. Let's go to the inside. In this side we have two hard drives bay. This is the power, the power source, and here our RAM, here the ventilation, the heatsink and the ventilation. To unplug the memory, we just lift these gaps out and we gently slide the RAM out. Again with second, the same. And now to put the new one, we align this with this in a 30-degree. We slide the RAM back in and gently push to the bottom until it clicks. Okay. The same with this. and we put the cover back in place. How? Aligning it with the dot, with the empty dot, and pushing to the left. It's firmly into place. Here we have our MacMini, a powerful computer with a small size. And this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one.